My ceiling fan spins on its own, but I cut the power weeks ago. My apartment's power got shut off 2 weeks ago. I couldn't pay the bill. No lights, no fridge, nothing. I've been living by candlelight, charging my phone at work. It sucks. But here's what's worse. My ceiling fan still spins. Slowly. Quietly. Every single night around 3 a.m. At first, I thought I was hallucinating from stress, but I recorded it. Pitch black room. Blades moving. No power. No explanation. I climbed up and pulled the chain to stop it. It jerked to a halt like something resisted. 5 minutes later, back to spinning. I even removed the fan's wiring. Physically cut it. It shouldn't even be connected to anything. Last night, I heard a faint sound coming from above the fan. Breathing. And when I looked up, the fan had stopped. But something behind the blades hadn't.